Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to fit something to my Transit. Now guess what it is? Yes, if you've seen the description you probably already know. It's a K&N filter. Now this is a 185 PS. Now I'm not going to say you're going to up your bhp or anything like that. It's down to performance at the end of the day. It's how much air you can get into your engine. Now this particular product, now I've fitted one of these to every car I've ever owned from, it's got to be, I reckon, early 80s. And I can guarantee to you, you will get a minimum of 10% extra power with using one of these. Now I can only endorse it because I've used it myself. Now, don't know what it's going to be like in this van because obviously this is one of those new Euro spec vans, which is a 2021 model. Now, I guess it's going to be the same. I'm going to get 10% minimum extra power. In my previous van, which I thought was it wouldn't make any difference to, it's a Transit Connect. Now, that did increase the power. It did work really, really well. So I decided that I'd do exactly the same with this. Well, I'll do it with everything. Not just that, when you're going for a service, well, as you probably realise with these vans, you don't do many servicing. But then again, if you're going to do sheds and sheds of miles, then a K&N filter is an ideal thing. This will cost you around 60 notes, whereas the filters, anyway, by the time you've got round to destroying this filter, the K&N, you'd have gone through sheds of them if you're doing sheds of miles. Because you clean them. You just wash them out, clean them, and re-oil them. Anyway, please subscribe and please share. And don't forget to check out the description below the video, as there might be something down there that may interest you. Anyway, we'll get on to fitting the K&N filter. Now for fitting the K&N filter, you need a 7mm socket. The first thing we do is undo the rubber pipe. And then we just pull the pipe off. Now you need to disconnect this, just pull it up and just pull it out. Now you need to disconnect this pipe. Okay, press and take it out. Move it out of the way. And all we need to do then is unclip these clips. There's two on the front and one on the side. And it's as simple as that. So we just take that out. Disregard this one, and all we do is fit on our K&N. Like that, just push it in, get your cover, and it's a reverse mode. Now make sure these are pushed into the back. All right, just push it down well. Put our front clips on and our side clips. Reinstall our pipe. And you can see the Jubilee clip needs to go over this piece here. So it goes in there. And just slide that on, like that. This clips back in. Don't forget to push this down. Reinstall this pipe. Make sure it's pushed on and well. Then all we do is re-tighten this back up. Just make sure your Jubilee clip is in position. And that's one installation of a K&N filter. Well, there you go, guys. Wasn't that simple and easy? Just losing this old thing for a proper K&N. These are what they are. They're cheap and nasty. I know they only cost a few pennies to buy, really, but they don't let the air in, really. They collect the dust, got a dust filter on the back, but they don't let the air into your engine, really. They're there for one reason only. It's an air filter. I've done 1,000 miles in the van as it was, so I now know what the van was like doing 1,000 miles. Now I'll do another 1,000 miles with the K&N, and then I'll come back and I'll let you know exactly what happened and how well it's working. Because like I said, on my previous Transit Connect, it really, really worked. And I've got a Transit Sport over here, which it's a really, really good model. And though it's a Connect, it's a 110 Sport, by adding a K&N filter, it increased the power by nearly 20%. But there again, that's a 2009 model. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and please share, and we'll see you again on the Crazy Baker channel very shortly. Laters!